I'll be showing you some of the top new AI tools for your Shopify store in 2025. The first tool I want to mention is my very own AI Shopify app called PRODKIT AI. It's a 10-in-1 AI creator that lets you ship products 10 times faster, including generating product descriptions, generating pro quality image styles. You can see just take this image here and generate a really nice outputted image that'd be really hard to do, especially for tons of products. You can remove backgrounds, write full blog posts, and much more. There's a free plan available, and I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom. So let's dive into some other AI tools as well. TDO is an extremely popular AI chatbot. This allows you to improve your customer experience and makes it easy to pull in a bunch of different channels. And you can resolve up to 64% of your tickets with Lyro, and this is their AI customer service agent. And this can save you a ton of time, especially if you're starting to scale your store. You can also provide real-time support via the live chat and streamline your workflow with a centralized help desk. There's a free plan here with up to 50 conversations, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of AI conversations and the exact features. Next up is one that's going to help increase sales, and it's LimeSpot AI's Bundles AI Upsell. So you can sell more with AI bundles and personalized cross-sells. So it's going to use AI-powered recommendations as well as AI for frequently bought together. And all of this is going to help increase your average order value, which should help increase your profits if you do increase the number of products people are purchasing. It's optimized for any niche here. You can also have one-click upsells. Here it says you can boost your conversion rate by up to 20%. It's free for up to 10 orders, and it goes up in price depending on the amount of revenue generated. Next up is an AI quiz maker. This makes it super easy to create powerful quizzes that recommend your products. This can be really good for an e-commerce site that maybe customers might be confused on what type of product they should purchase. The example here is a skincare site. It makes sense here as you first want to determine what type of skin the customer has before recommending them something. It should help increase opt-ins, conversions, and data collection according to this. And you connect it to the tools you already love, making it integrate with quite a few items. It's going to start at $50 a month, and it goes up in price depending on the number of takers of the quiz. Next up, we have AdScale AI, which is going to help you scale your advertising spend. In terms of setting it up, you just have to connect it in, and it's going to have real-time synchronization. Then it's going to analyze your store data, detecting customer behavior, forecasting acquisition demand, and identifying products with the highest success potential. And through competitive benchmarking, it uncovers your unique strengths, refines your marketing position, and sharpens your messaging for maximum impact. This lets you identify your ideal customer profile and the users most likely to convert. And from there, you can create high-performing AI ads on Google and Meta. So it's going to work by creating high-performing ads on Search, Performance Max, Facebook, and Instagram, and leveraging their generative AI to craft compelling copy, eye-catching creatives, and stunning videos. And it's going to optimize your campaigns 24/7 for maximum ROAS. In terms of pricing, this one's going to start at $149 a month, and it's going to go up into price depending on the amount of ad spend. So this concludes the video here on some of the new AI tools for 2025. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment. If you want me to do a part 2, let me know as well. Again, make sure you check out my new AI Shopify app here, PRODKIT. There's a link in the description at the top of this description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.